stones, and a time to gather them. A time to embrace, and a time to refrain from embracing. A time to search, and a time to give up. A time to keep, and a time to throw away. A time to tear, and a time to mend. A time to be silent, and a time to speak. A time to love, and a time to hate. A time for war, and a time for peace. Ito po ay mga salita na binanggit ng kinukonsider na isa sa mga pinakamatalinong taong nabuhay sa mundo. Ito po ay mga salita ni Haring Solomon. Kaya ito po yung isa sa mga bagay na kanyang napagkulay-kulayan sa kanyang mahabang buhay na inilagi dito sa mundo.
Everyone, thank you for the pouring love and comfort you showed us since the day that Papa left us. Your presence, your messages, everyday messages to check on us if you're alright, for the financial and moral support, and for all the prayers. It has been the most difficult 3 weeks for our family, trying to accept that Papa has left us to be with the Lord. Tonight is the last time we are seeing him physically, and all the coming days will only be filled with memories of him. Papa, you are finally home. Ito na yung pinangarap ko ng bakasyon na tagal mong inasam. All throughout our time together, even in our teenage years, you prided of being a good son and a brother. You would always tell the kids, magmahalan kayong magkakapatid. In your second to the last call you told them, ako na ang pinakapasensyosong tao. Mahal na mahal ko ang kapatid ko. But I kidding and rebutted, and you answered me with a smile. And yes, you love them to a full, sacrificing all that you have. Even in the expense of so many things. You would always tell me, tsaga-tsaga lang, Mama. Narating din tayo dyan. Jerry and I are extremely opposite in personality. He was the quiet and reserved one, while I am outspoken, never ashamed of bearing my faults and soul. But somehow, we made it through in our almost 30 years together. We both love to watch movies and eat together. Kachismisan at sumbungan namin ang isa't isa. In between those 30 years, we had the most beautiful memories together. But of course, it was not all that rosy. Wala namang perfect na relationship, diba? The story of our family is made up of so many prayers from us and from those who have truly loved us, helping us to stick together and navigate through the very challenges we went through. It was the hands of God that moved, making sure we made it through until this very day. Our family is a story of love, resilience, and forgiveness. Jerry and I have somehow managed the toughest of times. Even when there are times when we wanted to give up on each other. But our love for our children kept us together, and our main purpose was always to give them a comfortable life and a good family. Yes, Jerry was and still a very good father to my children. He is more of the spoiler. Namanagin niya yung nanay baby niya. He would give the wings of his children without even telling me. Especially kay Mariel, alihim siya nag-aabot ng pera. That girl is spoiled rotten by his father. His driving force to work abroad was to give us a better life. He would tell me, magpapadala din ako ng box sa inyong mama. Mararanasan mo din yun. And when he learned that the children wants Nutella and chocolate, the girl not even offered to have a taste. He made it a point to send the children a lot of chocolates and Nutellas when he was able to go to abroad. Before Papa left us, he was so full of dreams. Excited of retiring after Kuya and Bunso finished his college. Kaunti na lang, he would tell me, mag-iipon lang ako ng pag-umpisa ko pag-uwi. mamamasyal na tayo ng mama, you would tell me. Pero madalas sinasabi niya, magpapromote ka na kasi. Para uwi na lang ako, ipagdadrive na lang kita araw-araw. Maraming sana, maraming pangarap. Jerry left us in a time when we are just starting to build again. Rising from the ashes of the most difficult times in our life, especially last year. Lagi ko sinasabi sa kanya, uwi ka na lang. And we would start small, just like we were starting, but somehow he's driven to give the children away a much better life, but circumstances wouldn't allow him to go home. For the last few months, we were dreaming again. Gala plans, planning and to settle everything from the people who have helped us to make it through. He is in fact excited for his vacation in November. Sabi ko, Pa, huwag mo na lang para matapat ng New Year. Matagal na rin namin hindi nakakasama ng bagong taon. Okay lang, kahit hindi ko birthday ang dating mo. But he actually planned gift for my birthday para sa pag-uwi niya. The night you left us, ang sayo ka. People seldom see you for so many years. Only a few were able to talk to you every time you come home, and that night my family saw you. Never did I know that it would be the last. I love you and ingat kayo from you. Up until now, sana hindi totoo. Sana hindi kita sinito sa airport for the last time na nakabox and lifeless and devoid of excitement and laughter. This is not the kind of box we wanted from you, Papa. I wish we had more time with you. Nakita mo, graduate si Kuya Alfonso. Pag-relax ka din sana. At nakita mo at nagkakaroon mo ang mga magiging apo natin. Maraming sana, Papa. Pero madali ng expression na sinasabi ko sa akin. Mga kaluyani. Kinuha ka na ni Lord. Time's up na. Wala nang bawian. Masakit man na wala ka na. Hindi ka na namin makakasama sa pagtupad ng mga pangarap na inasam mo for us. But I know that you are now in God's hands. No more pain, Papa. Wala nang paghirap, no more stress. Pero ngayon ka lang, super miss ka na namin. Ano next? I will definitely miss the random banters. Wala nang referee sa aming mag-iina. Wala na akong kasukalera kay Papa. Napagdating naman, may ayuda na po ba? Para katipalag ko, and you would say, ano po naman? Wala na akong pagsusukaran ng mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko kayang sabihin sa iba. Hindi madali, Papa, na iwan ko kami ng ganito. But no, that we are comforted. We are comforted that you are resting well with God. I know.
At mangingibabaw sa ating mga puso at isipan dahil alam natin na siya ay namuhay ng masaya at masagana. Sa kabila ng kalungkutan na pinagdaraanan ng Pamilya Domingo na magpalaya, sana po ay maunawaan nating lahat na ang kamatayan ay hindi isang pasakit, kundi isa pong kamanghamanghang karanasan upang malaman natin na may Diyos na nagbibigay ng pag-asa at ginhawa.
Sa lahat, alam namin na parte ito ng plano ng Diyos para sa aming buhay. Mapayapa namin na pinapalaya, inihahatid si Papa. He's in a better place now. It is reassuring na wala na siyang mararamdamang sakit. Wala na yung mga inirereklamo niya. And finally, he is at peace and at home with the Lord.
Sa harapan namin, may kalakasan ng aming pisikal na katawan, aming Diyos, at hindi ang kahinaan. Bigyan mo lahat na nandito ng kapayapaan ng kanilang mga Panginoon Diyos. Ang mga biyayang ito ay panghig ng magiging kalakasan ng mga nila. Linisin mo ng banal na dugo ng aming Panginoon na Jesus ang mga pagpapalang ito upang sa gayon, ang bawat magtitik ng puna ito ay maging kalakasan nila physically, spiritually, o Diyos. Salamat po marami sa ngalan ng aming Panginoon Jesus. Amen.
Brenda Star. Sino po? Find your age.
Let's eat again.